Hello everyone, welcome to my channel King Art, and today I will show you how to draw Olaf from Frozen. So let's get started with the drawing. So first of all we need to draw an oval shape like this here, like this. So Olaf, as you know, was created by Chris Buck and Jennifer Lee and was voiced by Josh Gad, and it first appeared in the 2013 animated feature film Frozen and in 2019 sequel. So now we need to divide this into three portions. First the oval head shape, then the middle one, and now here, which should be bigger than the above two. It is actually like the rock balancing art. So now we need to draw the two legs here, a small square like this here, and another one just beside this like this. Now the basic structure is ready. Now we need to draw the upper portion. Here we need to draw deeper now, as we are giving drawing life. And now here you can divide this portion like this. If you have seen Frozen, you will remember that Olaf first appeared in Elsa and Anna's childhood, and afterwards he was recreated by Elsa in the song Let It Go. Those who haven't watched Frozen, I will recommend, please go and watch today. It's a beautiful movie. Well, now here you need to draw like this here. Like this, small round like this for the smiling face of Olaf. Just like this here. Now this is the upper portion of the mouth. Yes, just a line like this here. And now you can draw the tooth, a big tooth here, just another small square like thing here for the tooth. And now you need to draw the eyes here, a small circle. You need to draw a small circle here and just another one beside this. Yes, just beside this you need to draw another one. Now the outline of the eyes is ready. So a smaller circle inside for the eyeball, and you can color it black. Yes, you can color it. And now we need to draw the nose. Yes, from here you can do like this, which will help you create the shape, the nose, which we know so now the eyes are ready. Now what to do? Now let's come to this middle portion of the body, make it deeper. Now you can see, you can color the down portion also. sorry, you can outline the down portion, not color. And now let's see how it turns out. Okay, here now do like this. Now just the basic thing is ready. Now do the same thing for the legs, make it deeper. Okay, so more or less the thing is ready. Now you need to draw the hands. From this middle portion of the body you need to draw a parallel straight line like this, a straight line like this here. From this portion you must start. From here, just a straight line like this till here, this portion, and the parallel line here. These are actually the hands, which is actually made of the branches of tree, you know. And these are the fingers, 3 fingers here, and another one just here. It is actually not perfectly straight line, so I will just give some curves here. So the one hand is ready. Now from here you need to draw another hand and the straight line like this, and just a parallel one beside it. So Olaf is waving at you, you can see now. Like the same way I have drawn for this one, let's draw for this one also. 3 fingers here and another one beside this. So give some curves like this, and now you need to do the eyebrows. Let's zoom a little bit so it's become clear for you to draw. And now you need to draw the eyebrows just like this, another one just beside this, starting from here. A simple eyebrow like this. You may paint it black or you can leave it like this also. And now a few more branches from the heads, which is acting like hair. A few branches here, 3 branches actually, another one here, another one here, and another one just beside this like this. So the face is ready, a smiling face of Olaf. And now we need to draw the buttons, a hexagon like this here, one hexagon here, and another one in this portion. Another 2 hexagon like this here. These are the buttons. Olaf the lovable snowman has become a favorite Disney character within a short span of time. So now you see that the drawing is complete. Now let's draw another Olaf in his sitting posture. We will repeat the same process here. will draw an oval shape like this. Olaf is animated by Hero Osmond, who also brought to life characters like Rapunzel and Maximus from Tangled. If you have not watched Tangled, you can watch it. So now let's draw the legs here. Hiram created Olaf after putting his son's body movements into him. So we can see Olaf with his childlike mannerisms. And another reason for Olaf being childlike is that it was created by Elsa and Anna during their childhoods. So yes. Now the big tooth again. Now we will surprised to know that long before the makers decided Olaf to be a snowman, early concepts had him as a penguin. But after that the makers decided that it will be a snowman, that is Olaf will be a snowman. So let's draw the nose here. Repeat the same process. Give it a smiling face, and now let's move on for the eyebrows. Now first let's do the middle portion of the body. Olaf also have many short films to his credit. He have appeared in many short films apart from Frozen and Frozen 2. Now from here a hexagon for the buttons, another one here, two buttons in the bottom portion of the body. Now start the hand like this, up a straight line like this from here, which is being placed on the legs. Now complete the legs here. Like this. Another one till here, from here to here. Yes, like this. Straight line, two parallel straight line, as I have shown before. Give some curves, and now you can draw the hands, fingers, 3 fingers here, another one just on the side. Now complete the leg like this. So more or less the Olaf is ready. Now we just need to give a mouth here, unlike the other one. I'm drawing a mouth here, and now the eyebrows. Yes, one like this. You can color it this time, or you can leave it like the previous one also, and then some here. Three ears like this. Okay, another one here. So you can see both the drawings are ready. Now please share my drawing, don't forget to give likes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please be in touch with this channel so that you can get more and more cartoon character drawings. Now thank you for watching, stay tuned, and till then keep drawing.